What's going on, everyone? Today is November the 2nd, 2022. We're going to talk about Loopring today. Could there be more scary days ahead for this currency? You guys can see that the market has been in a complete downturn. The market is crashing. The market's going down. We haven't seen the bottom just yet in Loopring. Could that be the days ahead for this currency? Well, let's talk about it because I did a video in Loopring all the way back on September the 27th. And you guys can see from what happened to the market in Loopring versus what my expectations were. And it was for the market to go up in Loopring, and that did not happen. It did not even go into our price targets. Not one time. Look at that. This shows you how dead the market is in Loopring. This shows you how people are not coming in buying up this currency. Not yet, at least. So yes, this price prediction right here did not go according to plan, and it will happen. So if we were to get out the market right now in Loopring, you guys can see that we will be down around 16.25%, almost 15%. It happens. So let's cut this out the way and let's talk about the scary days that we could potentially see in Loopring. So let me start this off on the monthly chart because I really wanted to show you the market in Loopring breaking this trend line, which we identified on a couple of videos. You know, the market no longer is trending higher. We broke this trend line, which is a massive indication that this particular market in Loopring is not bullish. It is not strong. In fact, we may see the market in Loopring come all the way down to the lows of these monthly price bars. I just want people to get prepared. Okay, so right here, the low of July 2021, as well as the low of June of 2021. You guys can see the low was around 17 cents. Okay, that is where the new basis of support could be found into the market in Loopring. I definitely look like we're going to try to hit that spot though. When? Who knows? Give it a couple of months. I'm not saying the next 10 years to look for the market in Loopring run down to 17.5 cents, but just be prepared for that continuation of movement to the downside. Okay. So here's Loopring right here on a 2-weekly chart. You guys can see we've got 4 days left, but I wanted to show you all the market rejection or resistance coming in all the way up there around 30 cents. Over the last 2 weeks, we did attempt to break price above 30. The buyers did, but they failed. And that's another reason that we are not looking for Loopring to go up in price. Here it is on the 3 weeks. You guys can see where that rejection zone is right there around 30 cents. Here it is on the weekly chart. You guys can see it even here a little bit better, a little clearer that the market in Loopring is getting rejected. Okay, so I'll say around 30 cents to even 28 cents is where the market in Loopring is getting rejected. So yeah, I don't like what's going on into the market in Loopring. So I think from what the chart is telling us, we need to be prepared for a move to the downside. What do you think? You don't have to believe what I'm seeing on the chart. You all have your own thesis and your own idea as to how you think the market's going to play out. Which way do you think it's going to go? I say that because looking at this on the 5-day chart, look at this 5-day price bar. And then I want you all to look at the volume that came in on it. Okay. This is indicative of selling coming to the market in Loopring still because we close on the low of this 5-day price bar. All right. So I got a couple of areas that we can see for price targets that we can look forward to in Loopring. This first area is going to be around 24 cents to where these lows of these 3-day price bars came in. Okay. Let me go ahead and put this on the chart. We got 24 cents first as a price target. So that's around 7.25% market move to the downside. And we're going to continue to expect Loopring to go down as long as market trades below 30 cents. Okay. So the first price target is 24. The second price target So the second price target is going to be here on the low of this particular day, which is around 22 cents. Okay, so then we got 22 cents as the second price target. And that is what, 15%. Okay, so we got 24 cents first as our price target. Second price target is going to be 22. And then the third price target is going to be all the way down here towards like 18 cents. And that will give us ultimate profit of around 30%. Okay, now we're just going to have to stair step our way down into the market for this particular move. I don't think that it's going to happen relatively quick. It can, but just as the market has been trending in a downturn for a while, we are just going to simply continue to follow that move. Okay, we'll keep that there so we can keep wraps on how weak the market is trending in Loopring. So let me put this back on a daily chart, and then I'll let you all go. So give me your thoughts, leave me a comment, hit the like button, share it, and also subscribe. You guys appreciate the videos and the heads up as to where we're suspecting price is going to go before the market even knows it itself. Make sure you maintain profitability, and as always, trade different.